Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another video demoing another source connector called the POP3 or Post Office Protocol. Like before, as you can see on the left hand side of my screen, I have my integration hub, and the right hand side I have my transactions page. Let's go to our demo data in. As you can see, like before, we have our parameters enabled. Let's go to our source connectors. Let's create a new source connector and let's call it test connector. Let's make our connector active and enable polling. It's currently the 30th and the time is 12:25, so let's just set it to run at 12:30 and to run every 15 minutes. The module will be the POP3 or Post Office Protocol 3, and this works similar to the IMAP configuration, except the host would be the pop3.gmail.com rather than the IMAP. The port would be different. This would be 995. We would enable SSL for this. The username would be the same email address, which would be Utopia sync demo. Then the in-app password that we created for this would be the same, and you can, like the IMAP connector, you can filter by email address so that you can only pull docs from a specific email address in your mailbox. And we can click save. The test document that I am using, I know, does need to be batched, so we will call it the batch field item, and let's click on save. And then let's just go back to our data in to make sure that our settings have saved. We can see item, source connector, POP3, and now we can proceed to send a file to our Gmail account. Okay, let's just go back to our Gmail account. We can see that the email came through and the file is there. Now let's just wait for our connector to run and it should pick up the doc. Let's refresh our transactions page and we can see that the docs just got picked up. Let's create a transform of the data in, and we can see there are 3 docs, which is correct. Yep, that is correct, and we can see that the connector did run correctly. And that, guys, is how we make use of the POP3 source connector within Utopia.